Welcome to Coxie's Picks. If you like what you see, don't forget to subscribe. Enjoy. Hello again everyone. Up next is a 6-lever, protector vintage padlock. This uses the familiar form factor of the Bulldog, Morgan, and Securit varieties. I will pick this using Andy Max tension tool, and a whole lot of tension. As I'm picking, I feel excessive resistance on lever 3. It's causing my pick wire to flex excessively. So I reset the lever pack and attempt again. It's no good, I have far too much flex. So going in with a heavier wire. Now the stiff lever is no problems and I'm able to lift it up and out the way. Hope you enjoyed this video and I will see you all in the next video.